The Multi-Information Display, or MID, gives drivers an at-a-glance look at vital vehicle information. Key MID readouts include warning messages, trip computer data, digital speedometer, navigation and maintenance information, and more. The MID also displays essential driving system icons, such as seatbelt warnings, auto high beam indicator, and the idle stop indicator, which shows the status of the engine stop-start system. The steering wheel controls give you full control over key vehicle functionality, including the MID. The left side controls allow you to select and operate media and communication functions. Press the Apps button to bring up a menu of available functions on the MID, or the head-up display if equipped. Roll the left selector wheel up or down to scroll through menus. Press the wheel inwards to make selections. Press the back button to go back a level within the menus. Toggle the wheel left or right to perform key functions, including skipping between radio favorites or songs, or handling incoming phone calls. Press the volume controls up or down to increase or decrease audio volume. Press the power button to turn the audio on and off. Press the talk button briefly to initiate the voice recognition system. Press and hold the talk button to activate Siri when an iPhone is connected via Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay. Similarly, pressing and holding the talk button will activate Google Assistant when an Android smartphone is connected via Android Auto. The right side controls allow you to toggle between the driver information displayed in the MID, as well as activate the Acura Watch driver assist functions. This includes the Adaptive Cruise Control button. The Adaptive Cruise Control button is used to activate the Adaptive Cruise Control system. A white icon appears in the MID when the system is standing by and the speed is ready to be set. Once the speed is set, the Adaptive Cruise Control icon will turn green. The icon may also turn amber if the system has been temporarily disabled, such as when the sensors are dirty and need to be cleaned. Similarly, the Lane Keeping Assist System button is located nearby to turn on the vehicle's lane keeping functions. A white icon featuring lane outlines appears in the MID when the system is ready to use. And just like Adaptive Cruise Control, a green icon means the system is actively engaged, and an amber icon means the system is temporarily disabled, usually due to sensor visibility. To switch the information displayed in the MID, roll the right selector wheel up or down. If a warning message appears in the MID, press inwards on the right selector wheel to acknowledge the message and begin using the other MID functions. After a warning message has been acknowledged, it can always be accessed again by scrolling up to the warnings page in the MID. Then move the right selector wheel left or right to switch between warning messages. Similarly, moving the right selector wheel left or right on the trip computer view of the MID allows you to switch between trips A and B. Pressing and holding down the right trip selector will reset the trip data